Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the failed to update playlist in Warzone. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any preferred browser and search for Warzone contact email. A bunch of search results will be displayed on the screen. Look for the feedback and bugs embed and click on it. On this web page, you will see a report a bug button. Click on it and a new web page will be loaded. Here, you need to select the error category from the drop-down menu. Then, choose the platform you are facing this issue on, such as Steam, PlayStation, or Xbox. In the description field, make sure to provide as much detail as possible, such as when the error occurs, any error codes displayed, and any steps you have already taken to resolve it. Finally, verify the CAPTCHA and click on the Submit button. Keep in mind that it may take some time for them to investigate and resolve the issue. In the meantime, you can try restarting your game, console, or PC to see if that resolves the problem temporarily. So that's basically how you can report the failed to update playlist error in Warzone to the developers. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.